Hello everyone, welcome back to Your Engineer YouTube channel, and we are here presenting an HTML and CSS course. Today we are going to end our form element by continuing to submit type and reset type in input element. So stay tuned with us. Now, as we saw in our previous video that we have created this much form. Now what we do with the value of all this form? We have to submit, we have to do something. Finally we want to submit it. So to do such thing, we have to give input tag where type attribute should be submit and value attribute should be anything you want to appear on your button. So here I am going for with submit. Once it is done, we have saved it, and you see there is a submit button. Now I enter something, I enter some password, I have selected this thing, I have changed it, I have here printed something and submitted it. But it didn't do anything, it just reloaded. Why? Because in form element, every time you use it, there is an attribute called action. In action, here we haven't learned any scripting like JavaScript or PHP, and we are soon going to create a course on JavaScript. Stay tuned with on our website. So here mostly there are some scripting like index.js and anything. So let's say that I create, but for time being I am creating a file name index.html, and here I have just written that form submitted. And starting introduction video, I have told you that what is HTML. HTML is something on hyperlink. When we click through it, it just navigates through document from one document to another document. So here on action I am giving the file index.html, which means that on submitting, this form will take us to that particular page. So after saving it, we are going here, we are putting something, putting some password, selecting something, putting some comment and submitting. On submit, you can see here that we navigate through index.html and form submitted, and our every data like username, uname, gender and everything is now stored in our backend. So that's how things work. Now we learn about reset button. What is reset? So for the reset, we can go for input and then we go for type is equal to reset, and let's say give it a value none other than only reset. Okay. Now save it, and we saw that we got a button with reset. So now when I enter something, when I enter password, select something, reset will do like when I click on reset, everything disappear and this your form will be come to default position. That's what reset button do. So this is how submit and reset work, and this is how form element totally work. Now we have finished our form element, and you have learned how to create a form on your web page. But what is one thing missing here? This form just not look so appealing. For starter, it is not yet aligned yet. So we want it to be aligned first. We will see CSS later, but first we want it to be aligned. So to make it align, what we are going to learn from tomorrow or from next lecture is table element. So stay tuned with us, like this video, comment on it if you have any question, and share it as much as you can. Thank you for watching.